Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living, and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the Zootopia PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. The Zootopia PowerPoint game is made by K. Brook 8 of the Weigook forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get your free PPT download. The first screen is a load of different paws with letters on. You have to choose one in order to go to a question. Students answer the question, and if they answer it correctly, they go to a bonus screen. Here they can receive a point denoted by a carrot that we can go towards their team. And you click on the rabbit to return home. Once you've gone through all these questions, you can actually select on the bottom right hand corner an arrow. This will bring you to a different district of Zootopia. There are also many special events as well. Instead of just getting points straight up, there's one where you have to choose from a selection. Sometimes you'll get something positive, sometimes you'll get something negative. There's also path selection choices as well that can lead to catching the bad guys, which means getting the most amount of points. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of the Zootopia PPT game. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Remember to check out the links below to be able to download your free copy. Bye-bye.